Hello, it is Helen and Jenny with So Kind of Wonderful.
Hello.
And today is this video is all about Zone 9 of Floral Felicity. So at this point, this is actually the second time we're making these blocks. We have coneflower, iris, and then flying geese, and you can do multiple layouts. So we chose to do these diamonds just to show you another version of them. And
I think at this stage, all of you should be experts at making these blocks.
that's right, you're very good at sewing curves and squaring up.
Yep.
So at this stage, it's just sewing it together. And you have only three sashing pieces. So this little one here, you sew onto the iris, and then sew the top piece on, and then this sews here, and then sew on your bottom and your top. So really straightforward. And that is Chip in the background. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna pause, we're gonna do our sewing, and then we'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, we have done our sewing, and you can see how well it goes together.
Yep. All sewed up.
Oh, any tips on this one? I don't know, it's easy to kind of get worried about directional fabric. The background on this one has a really faint stripe on it, but you don't notice it at all. So don't overthink that.
This is a small sashing, so that's a good place to hide your seams if you don't want to press open.
Which is what,
Yeah.
yeah. And experiment on your flying geese. You know, you can totally make it how the pattern shows. There's so many variations. And this is how you create some originality within a big sampler pattern.
Yep.
Yeah. You could also switch these, you know, as long as it goes back to this size.
Sure.
Even this could have been moved down. So there's as long as you get back to this this overall size of 25.5 by 33.25.
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So this is Zone 9. There's only 10 and 11 that has piecing.
Yep.
And then we do borders and sew our quilt together. Yay!
I know. We'll have to do a big show bash or something at the end.
That's right. Something. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Happy sewing this month.
Happy sewing. Bye.